Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we've got something exciting to talk about. Walkie Talkies for Adults by Wishouse.
These handheld two-way radios come packed with features that make them perfect for outdoor adventures, emergencies, and even family fun.
Let's dive in.
First up, let's talk about the product itself. Wishouse offers a 4-pack of these walkie-talkies, but they also come in 2, 3, and 6-pack options.
They are available in 4 vibrant colors: red, orange, blue, and green.
The most striking feature of these walkie-talkies is their impressive range. With an upgraded custom helix gain antenna and advanced transmission technology, you can communicate clearly within a 1-mile radius in your yard or indoors. In open areas with minimal obstructions, the range can be even longer. Now, here's a crucial feature: NOAA emergency weather broadcast access. Nature can be unpredictable, but with these walkie-talkies, you can stay prepared. They can sound an alarm when there's a risk of severe weather in your area, allowing you to take necessary precautions to keep your family safe. These walkie-talkies are not only convenient but also eco-friendly. They are rechargeable via micro USB, eliminating the need for disposable batteries.
This feature is not only great for the environment but also saves you money in the long run.
Need a flashlight during your camping trips? These walkie-talkies have got you covered. They come equipped with a built-in flashlight that can be incredibly useful in the great outdoors. Plus, it can double as a fun exploration tool for kids at night. Safety is a top priority, and these walkie-talkies offer SOS sirens that can be used to alert others to your whereabouts during emergencies. Whether you're hiking in the wilderness or camping in extreme weather conditions, these features can be a lifesaver. Ease of use is key, and these walkie-talkies are designed with simplicity in mind. They have an ergonomic handle that ensures a comfortable grip, and setting them up for clear communication takes just 10 seconds. Want to chat hands-free? These walkie-talkies come with voice and sound activation technology, which means you can activate them with just 4 button presses. There are 3 sensitivity levels to choose from, ensuring a seamless and convenient experience. If you're on the move, you'll appreciate the belt clips and wearable lanyards that are included. They free up your hands, making it easy to carry the walkie-talkies while on the go.
Compatibility is always a concern when it comes to walkie-talkies, but you won't have to worry here.
These M9 two-way radios work not only with other Wishouse walkie-talkies but also with 99% of other brands. All you need to do is set them to the same channel and privacy code, and you're good to go. In conclusion, Wishouse walkie-talkies for adults offer a great combination of functionality, safety, and convenience. Whether you're planning a family camping trip, keeping in touch during outdoor activities, or just having some fun adventures with friends, these walkie-talkies have you covered. Remember, these walkie-talkies are currently unavailable on Amazon, but keep an eye out for when they're back in stock.
And that's it for today's product critique.
If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, stay connected and stay safe. See you in the next video.